Everybody has their own financial goals. These can be accumulating your first million or saving for the down payment of a mortgage. A dream written down with a timeline becomes a goal. Regardless of your monetary goals, you have to stay financially disciplined throughout your journey towards achieving them. Hello and welcome. I'm Vineet from Clear Tax. In this video, I will walk you through the 5 simple steps to achieve your financial goals. Step 1. Implement the rule of 50-30-20 in your finances. When you have a financial goal to achieve, it is imperative to stay financially disciplined. To do this, you may consider adopting the rule of 50-30-20 in your finances. This rule says that 50% of your income must be spent towards needs such as home rent or EMI, groceries, utilities, and so on. 30% of your income must be dedicated towards wants such as vacation, dining out, gym membership, and so on. The remaining 20% must be saved. This amount you save must be utilized towards achieving your goals. Step 2. Increase your savings. If you have to achieve your goals faster, then it is essential to increase your savings. You have to look for ways to cut down your spending. You may consider reducing your budget towards wants. In this way, you will retain more money in hand. Higher the savings, the more you can invest. Higher investment translates into your goals being achieved sooner than expected. Step 3. Invest wisely. Just saving money won't help your cause. You have to invest your savings in suitable instruments. You have to assess your risk profile and requirements before choosing to invest in any option. If you are a conservative investor, then you may consider investing in bank deposits or government saving schemes. In case you are a slightly aggressive investor, then you may invest in mutual funds or bonds. If you are an aggressive investor, then you may consider investing in direct equity or equity funds. Step 4. Stay ahead of inflation. Inflation in general is the rise in the prices of goods and services over time. With every rise in the rate of inflation, your purchasing power goes down. In simple terms, with every rise in the rate of inflation, you can buy fewer goods and services than before. If you have to stay ahead of inflation, then you have to invest in inflation-beating investments. Mutual funds and direct equities are perfect examples of inflation-beating investments. Step 5. Have the right insurance policies to protect your savings and investments. It is always advisable to avail suitable insurance policies covering family members, self, and properties against all possible risks. The modern world is full of uncertainties. It has made it essential to avail suitable insurance policies. For instance, if you don't have a health insurance policy and end up being hospitalized, then there are chances that you end up paying a fortune on the medical bills. This could be avoided by having the right health insurance policy. With the right insurance policies, you can protect your savings and investments and achieve your goals as expected. To conclude, it is essential to have a sound financial plan to achieve your financial goals. You have to regularly review your financial plan and ensure that you are staying ahead of inflation. Having suitable insurance policies will protect your savings and investments. If you like this video, then please do like, comment, and share. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you get a notification whenever we upload a new video.